Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and personal care.
Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that's making waves, the RtopR Mango Hot Cream.
This isn't just any ordinary cream. It's been hailed as the best RtopR Mango Cream available in the market, and we're here to find out why.
Let's start with what sets this cream apart from the rest.
The RtopR Mango Hot Cream is specially formulated to target and reduce cellulite, giving you smoother and firmer skin.
But what makes it truly unique is its powerful blend of natural ingredient.
Containing nourishing herbal essences and an olive formula, this cream boasts a refreshing texture that's easily absorbed by the skin.
And with its fast-acting properties, you'll start seeing visible results in no time.
But how exactly do you use it? It's simple, just apply an appropriate amount to the area you want to target, massage it in, and let it work its magic.
For best results, wrap the area in plastic wrap for 30 to 40 minutes before removing. Now, let's talk results.
Users rave about the effectiveness of this cream, especially when used on the abdomen, waistline, thighs, calves, and arms. With regular use and a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve the firm, fit body shape you've always wanted. So, if you're looking for a natural solution to cellulite and firmer skin, look no further than the RtopR Mango Hot Cream. It's the best RtopR Mango Cream on the market, and it's waiting to transform your skincare routine.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest beauty and personal care products. Until next time, stay fabulous.